Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. Friday, good evening. Hope you all enjoyed your day. This is how we open up the weekend. Some will sleep, some won't. Going out is also an option, but be safe.
Daniel.
What?
Hey, no.
No. Delete. What? Kanti. Leave. Who the fuck?
Hey, Smith.
Yeah, about night.
Hey,
Yeah, about night.
Hey, Spelele May.
Hey, who?
Hey, Skono Kushe.
Oh, it's
Hey, Mpo. Alberto.
Hey, I wait now.
Hey, Azola. Hey, Kundi. Give me some.
Tell my mom on you.
Shut up.
I hate you, Uncle.
Come on, open it.
It's gonna break. It's gonna break. No.
Hatu!
No.
Oh, sorry, I sneezed.
You like it? How you like it? You like it?
Yo, Gaga, bitch.
Haha, I'm telling on you. I'm showing this to your mommy. You're going to jail. Put your hands up.
Bro. Okay, that's enough.
I came across this post on Facebook. It said nobody ever died from supporting another person's business. I was like, yeah. Until I really thought about it. It's a bit technical, bro. Nobody ever died from supporting another person's business. Bob literally exists. Bro, for that business to keep on going, for people to support it, brews need to perish, bro. And brews have been perishing and will continue to perish. And somebody's going to perish today to help Bob to keep on going, bro. Also, undertakers literally exist. Not the Undertaker from wrestling. Not, no. Undertakers, the people who need other people to die for them to do their job. You get me? They exist, bro. You get me? And they need people to die, bro. There's other brews as well, bro. You get me? Grave diggers. Many brews need to die for those many people to have, income, to have purpose.
Are we Ellis? Are we Ditamogo? Are we Kibu? Are you Liago? Are you Basitana? Are we Sama?
Hi.
Are we Pablo? Are we Tinyani? Are we Mishandri? Are we Mishandri?
Nansi plug thini uye ngoku nansi plug ziphuma ziyi-2 nge-R40 but xa inye yi 1999. Ah man. Whoa. Akusave mos apha bafuna utya imali yethu. Whoa, Shoprite. What are we saving here? Because xa uyithenga i-1 cheap mos. Ikse? The maths is not matching. Okay. Ayidibani. Lena uyithenga one, i-chip nge-2 cents. Nangona bangazoyibuyisa lo 2 cents. Funeka uyithenga ugqiba uthi ngicela 2 cents yam. Uthi ngicela ungaswipe. Hayi kuse. So ke xa uswipe ibaduru. Hayi man. Swipe and be duru. Hey, what lang hot?
Otherwise, thank you for your assistance, okay?
Okay. No problem.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much for coming.
What the fuck you want? Sippy easy. Sippy lunch. Yeah. Sippy easy lunch.
What do you mean it's lunching? It's 6.
6 minutes past, but look better on you. Better. Like fuck, like what are you doing here?
I literally came to report a crime.
Crime. What the fuck are we supposed to do? A crime?
This is the police station. Where else am I supposed to go?
Facebook, Twitter, in fact, why you phone Inspector Gadget? Okay, he must call Vin Diesel. Okay, Batman. Anyways, how can we help you, boy?
I came to report an assault.
You came to report assault. I don't take assault. Chicken licking is a reported you.
Is
a reported you? Ah, boy, go to chicken licking. Sergeant, you have cells open for assault.
No, an assault.
An assault. Oh, you.
No, not
assault. Assault. I doubt we arrest assault. Yeah.
No,
I doubt it. Why then we can arrest assault?
Basically, I mean, but I got attacked. Stabbed. As you guys can see. So,
better one. So they stabbed you.
Yeah.
Why didn't you stab them back?
Yeah, they're weak.
They're weak. Tola, fucking shit fabe. Fucking shitty fabe. Sorry guys.
Oh, man.
Oh, my daughter. Hello.
You guys are so sweet.
Oh, my daughter. And then, when now?
I caught assault. But you just helped that white old lady. You just hit me with the muffin.
Yeah, fuck off, Quatin. If you have problem with the crime, phone it John Wick when you're Avengers. Hey guys. Ta-da! Hello.
Malo me van kidnapile en a veces que se refauno. Parvanya ka 10,000 rand ka pila.
Ba botse ba romele account number ya bona. No.
Hey, Lena Mara, ka 11:30 malome, o reply ka 11:38. 8 minutes yo tlho ke tlela kae le bona, ke tlela kae. Ha wa bana. Jo.
Wa se nna ke a koloka setse ke ira 7 tao. Ke setse ke phone ne ke ira 7 tao. Ke tla ne e jenga se wisetse morao ke enyanya.
Ke o batla tsekeleke.
Kana umpatla ke ishina ke tshaba basadi no wait.
No, nna ke tlo tshwara shapo batho ba le ba tshwanang le bontho ba ka se o tshware snacks.
Ono pila so.
Because ke batla wena tsekeleke ke bile pila so for wena ka ba live ka re tsekeleke o live e re kite approach le.
Batho ba tape re tshaba tape boys. Re tshaba fere ya le bo.
Never tape, it's fine. Like a jol and alwena. I can go for every day. Hoseng Motiar lips you.
I did go almost say. I can't that's a pinna.
Take a like how and two in a hana. Ki yes a capuchin no.
Osaka nice.
Take a like a scaro utana hana gayona. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, guys. Guys, ke kupa mabloma phone. Ke nna msadi wa tsekele ke a mocha. Ke kupa mabloma phone. Tsekele ke atla ko wena ka osana ke.
Okay, na stress e tla he.
Wa I batla vele ka osane or we batla ni?
Ke batla ka osana.